The owners of Z Fold 4 should be looking for this, as Samsung just rolling out the new updates for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4. We just entered to the 4th week of having a Z Fold 4 and we got our first update on Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now you don't need to worry if you don't get this update, because Samsung started giving updates to some markets, and remember, I talk about small bug. Well, after getting this, you will see a better stability, performance, and bug fixes on your Galaxy Z Fold 4. The download size of this update is around 370 megabytes, which is not much, but considering the stability, it is worth of an update. If you are the one who used the foldable phone without a case, now let me tell you something important. This is sure that the Z Fold 4 is a durable phone, but you might get scratches easily on your hinge, either after you drop your phone or you get a contact with a hard surface, and I would suggest you to get a case and stay safe because it is expensive. The one who like getting access to more features from its cameras should get an Expert RAW app for Galaxy Z Fold 4. Samsung just updated the app to support Z Fold for all cameras. You can get your app from Galaxy Store. One thing you really notice if you update from Galaxy Z Fold 3 to Z Fold 4, the new taskbar. It is so easy to switch between apps, and the Android 12L get the job done. After switching from a normal phone, this does feel special. Which I mean built only for this hardware, and couple of other features like using 3 apps or 4 based on your preference. This is built for productivity, and if you use your tablet a lot, then after getting this, I'm sure you don't need your tablet anymore. Galaxy Z Fold 4 is enough with its 7.6 inches display. If you talk about the battery, it is better than expected, but I have seen some people getting only 5 hours of screen on time. If so, I think that the phone will last the whole day, because if you use your Galaxy Z Fold 4 consistently, it can give you around 9 hours of screen on time. If you are updating from a Z Fold 3 to Z Fold 4, you won't feel much difference in the inner display, but because of a new hinge, the outer display looks a bit wider, and you guys will second my opinion. When we got out with our Z Fold 4, we usually prefer outer display, which is now usable. Just think about the first foldable device from Samsung, it is way better than that. And talking about the outdoor performance, the IPX8 water resistant is something special that no other foldable provide. But warning here, don't take it to the beach, because you might get the dust in the hinge of Z Fold 4, or don't put your Galaxy Z Fold 4 in the dirty water. This phone is a perfect foldable and best so far from Samsung. So if you want to see my first 20 days experience, you can check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.